on Bierstadt, Sawtooth, Mount Evans. Shit, you all right? And we're back at it. Gabe's been jump started. Way back there. I think that's gonna happen this morning. Hooey. Let's drop a deuce. This shit's the shit, yo. Yeah. We're not going as vertical as we were for a while. Hey, Gabe. Once again, you're in much better shape today. Feeling okay, just a little slow. We're almost there, babe. There's a bighorn sheep over there, just laying in the snow. Right on the fucking edge. Those guys are gangster. Yeah, that's crazy. We got this, Keegan. Run over there now. Keegan wants this mountain. Fucking wow. pros up here.
He's on 158.
Yeah. He's a finisher. Just like you Sunday.
I finish up 10.
Clarity on the mountaintop. There's our car way back there.
Oh yeah, I need to get a shot of that. Fuck.
See the lake? Look past the lake. To your left more.
Oh shit, yeah.
Oh, he came
Yeah, that's kind of far.
all the way there.
5 miles. Almost exactly to the summit.
Yeah, video on your phone.
That's the big horn sheep.
Dude.
That's a good idea. Hey, Micah.
Yeah.
Sheep.
Maybe over here, I'll get a pretty good picture. You guys can go. Okay. Let's go. You guys want to do a selfie? I was trying to get a picture of it.
You are a very cool dude.
Let's do portrait mode right there.
Duh, boys.
We don't want him to butt us.
He's coming right for you, Anne-Marie.
So close. So
I should have
close.
touched
Gabe.
him. I should have touched him.
Sad, ladies. Right? Yeah.
Now he's just being rude to you, Keegan. Getting in your path. He's like, I can climb down fast too. This is pretty amazing. Hey Gabe, just stop there, see what he does. Stop there, see what he does.
I almost don't think he gives a shit about us. Like, he's
Huh?
just fucking.
Been like been like Wild Kingdom today.
Yeah, we didn't see shit last time.
Hello, buddy. It's Mr. Marmot, or Mrs. Very cool.
There's another one. Actually,
Looks like a woodchuck. Watch out,
Oh.
Keegan. Successful summit. Just gotta get down through the screen.